Hi there. Today I'm going to show you the operational cost of running a Amazon wholesale FBA business in 2024. So will be the factors and its per month or yearly cost? I will summarize and explain you one by one. So the first one is tools for product analysis. Definitely you always need tools to product hunt, to analyze the products and to finalize the products. So I'm considering here Keepa, whose annual subscription cost is $208, and per month it will be 17.36. Number two is the domain. You definitely will be maintaining the website for your business and you need the domain. The cheapest one I'm considering here Namecheap, and it's my yearly subscription plan is at least $15. And the number third is a hosting. Also you need to host your website, and because you will be emailing your suppliers and dealing with the different brands using the business email, so here you need to host your website. So it's like $15-20, and sometimes it's $40 or $50 depending on the source from where you are going to take the hosting. So in my case I'm considering it $15 a year plan, and it will cost you 1.25 per month. Then the number four is seller account insurance, or it is also called limited liability insurance. You definitely need this one, because when your account is selling more than $10,000 per month, Amazon will recommend you or even force you to get the limited liability insurance ASAP. So I'm considering it the cheapest option, which is $260, and there are other options which are expensive. Even it is available up to $500 or $600. So it's really depends from where you are getting the liability insurance. And number five is the seller account or professional plan, which you will always be carrying to sell on Amazon, which is $40 per month, and if you calculate for 1 year it will be $480. And number six is the mobile number and the call package. I am considering a $10 per month, which is $120 for the whole year. And then the LLC which you are working with, you need to maintain it. You always need to keep it in a good and active status. So it will cost you 300, and in some cases it is even free. But if you are in a state where there you have to bear the renewal fee, then it is like 300 or $400. So I'm considering it for Maryland state, and it is $300 for that. So always check your state whether there are renewal fee or not. Then number eight is the accountant fee. Because you need to file annual tax returns, and mostly people don't do this when it comes to business, and mostly accountant will charge you between 250 to $400. I'm considering it for 1 year it is $300 for one time, and if you divide into monthly payments you have to be a $25. You have to consider it. And number nine is the contingencies. You never knows that sometimes some unknown cost will be coming to you, and you never calculated it before here. So we should consider always some sorry, contingencies. I'm considering $10 per month, which becomes $120 a year. The last but not the least is the virtual assistant salary or pay. If you are not working yourself, or even you are outsourcing some portion of your work, then you need to hire a virtual assistant or uh, somebody who you will be paying. So I'm considering it $300. It really depends on the volume of work. So don't forget to consider this factor. So these were the all 10 factors which comes under the operation cost for doing Amazon wholesale business. I will summarize it for you here, and you can see if you are working with virtual assistant, your yearly operational cost will be $5,418, and if you divide into months it will be approximately $450. And if you are working all yourself by yourself, you are not hiring any employees, then it will be $1,818 and approximately $150 per month. So you really need to consider when you are doing or running Amazon business that this much operation cost will be there. So you really need to make or do your gross sale so that you can cover up these operation cost, and alongside you make some healthy profits. Thank you for watching, and